and welcome. Good morning. So today's topic is your invoice is due reminder, and this reminder is very useful. I will show you how you can get benefit out of it. So this is my Gmail inbox, and you see one email that is I received yesterday. Okay. It says your invoice is due. If you open this, it has some message like hello Khairul Basar, that's my name. Your invoice is due on this, and it has been 52 days now. Please complete payment within next one day. So you understand this is kind of a repetitive message. It's running since almost 2 months. So how you can do this so that you get your mail sent to your client for payment follow-up. So if you search this message, your invoice is due. So opening directly this one, your invoice. So you will see there are a lot of email, 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5. So there are many actually reminders that I have received from another Gmail account. And if you open this one, this is my another email account. It's this one. You get this email from that account. So when you are sending reminder, you also get a copy. If you like, you can also get a copy of the same email. So you see, this is the copy I have received in my sender account. So this same, if you see the details is sent to, but you can make it CC if you like. The same copy I also have received, and this is generated automatically using a Google Sheet, and you can do this same for you. I can write a AppScript code to do this work for you.